Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how we can install WordPress on localhost. Just type here WordPress download. Sorry, WordPress. Just click here. Another one, Xampp download. This is basically a create a server where you can download. And sorry, actually I'm gonna show you. Okay, this is the 8.1. I am suggest you download the latest version of Xampp because it will install your Laravel latest version with the help of PHP 8.2 version. So I'm going on this, click here. I'm already downloading Xampp and WordPress. Click in Xampp folder, click here. Okay, this is the welcome to Xampp. Yes, okay, next. So actually I have already installed a Xampp, so I will decline this section. You can just click next, then it will finally installed. So I'm gonna show you something for you. When click here, you can go on Xampp. If you are using multiple Xampp, they will maybe not good, right? This is Xampp now working fine. Okay, just click here start. This is the Apache server and this is the MySQL, and in MySQL click on admin page. This is the database. Create. If you are creating something like e-commerce project, so type shop. The database name is shop. Just you need to write this, copy. Okay, I have WordPress. Where is the WordPress? This is the WordPress. I'm extracting this file, and after extracting this file, just wait a second. This is extracting. So finally the file is completely extract on my disk drive. So this is the WordPress and this is the extract file in WordPress. Okay, maybe in your folder this is on upside, actually something on setting in my device. It is downward, not at all. Just copy it, control C, copy. Just going in that drive where install Xampp. In htdoc folder, just right here is the folder name shop. Just paste it. Okay, this is the Xampp. This is your drive where you are installed the Xampp. In Xampp folder, getting htdoc, folder name is shop. Created the folder now. Okay, so this is working fine and I'm installing here. Okay, finally this is 3 folder is required for this. Okay, I'm going on localhost / your folder name is shop. Just click it. Okay, this is the language selection. If you want to Africans, English, this is the both type of language. So I'm selecting here English only. Click continue. Just write the database name, database username, database password, database host, table prefix. This is the extraordinary. I will explain you when we can make WordPress project in Elementor theme. So let's go, and database name is, what is this? This is the shop, right? The database name is shop. Okay, just time paste it, shop shop. Username, basically we root. This is the root. Every time any type of project you can install, use root. Password is blank. This is the database configuration, so currently we are using a password is blank. Localhost, that the localhost server. This is prefix. Submit. So I'm gonna show you what is prefix. Just installed, give me some second, and here is the shop. Okay, no table found, just a second. Okay, shop e username. This is the username, which username you can log in. My username is admin. Password is 1234. Confirm or be your email, which email you want to write here. And discourage search engine for indexing this site. If you are checked this, that means you are working any type of project, it will not display any content on Google. So if you are checked here, this will not reveal your project. Just I am installed here. Password admin, password save. Okay, so this is your username, and I have the password name is 1234. Click here. So finally your WordPress is installed in your shop folder. So actually I will explain you in next lecture how we can adding themes and both. Just I am sharing with you something. This is the dashboard. This is the post. All post is here. Media. Your all images is visible here. This is the all pages. Some sample pages. You can click here. Pages site. Open link. This is the your sample page. And if you are going in comments, if you write some type of post, then it will show here. Appearance, go in themes. Here's the some 3 themes: 20, 23, 20, 24, 20, 25. So this is the plugins. By default this is 2 plugin. This is the required because it will not going your any type of email into spam. So just need to activate. You can, this is okay. This is the all users you are creating in admin and password, and this is the email. You can also create a add user and profile, and this is the setting. Shop a project in a starting time, your WordPress path, and I think it's installed. So after this lecture I will show you how you can create a e-commerce or static website, like something in informative site, how you can create with the help of WordPress free of cost, no cost.